Welcome back to my humble video. And I wanted to thank all my viewers for viewing my this course. This course has been an amazing experience. I want to show you that anybody can draw. Anybody. So now we're going to talk about how to show you how to draw an erupting volcano. This is an erupting volcano. Something like this that you too can draw. Anybody can draw. Anybody. Believe in yourself. You gotta believe in yourself that you can do it. You gotta believe. Well, you gotta believe that you can draw. You gotta believe in yourself that you can draw. Anybody can do this. As long as you put your heart to it, your heart and mind to it, and always think about the good stuff in life. Always. Be thankful that you are alive. Let's draw another one. Let's draw a bigger one. Takes a little while to draw this, you know. You see this? You can draw something like this. You can do it. You can do it. No matter what age you are, no matter who you are, what indifference you have, you can draw. Anybody can do this. If you're out there and you're saying you can't draw, it's just an illusion. But there's many of you out there say you can't draw, but if you can if you can do things with your hands, that's a blessing. Now let's do another volcano. See, now we're going to draw 3 volcanoes erupting. You see this? If you can draw wonderful lines and color this with pink, blue, or purple, you can add color to your volcanoes. You can add color and color value. That is rewarding. And I want to share this with all my viewers. You can draw. Let's draw one more volcano. One more. I'm going to show you one more. You see this? That's 1, 2, 3 big ones and one small one, medium-sized one. Anybody can draw. Anybody. I want to thank you all for watching this 7th video on how to create erupting volcanoes. Anybody can draw. Anybody can draw. Anybody. Be thankful that you're alive. What you're meant to be is the very best thing by far. You can do this. You can do this. Remember, don't give up. Keep on keeping on. Keep on persevering. And if you really want to see nature from afar, go on a plane and see the beauty that we have in nature from the skies and view the ocean. It would really enlighten you. So once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.